Hey scholars, Nash here. Welcome to Construction Guruji. Do you know why I'm starting videos on YouTube? The main reason behind is share knowledge and gain knowledge. And in present times, every individual clears their doubts with the help of internet. But if the content is right on internet, it depends on the source and website. I felt, being a researcher, it's my duty to share perfect and trusted information among my community. In our series of videos, we'll uncover the great surprising facts of building materials and construction technology, and also topics on latest scientific facts and findings. Hope you guys love to know new facts. And as always, thanks for watching. In today's video, we are going to discuss about cement. Which cement is best, OPC or PPC? We have different type of cements. In OPC, we have 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade, and PPC, and we are also having PSC, Portland slag cement. We are in 21st century, but the durability is a big challenge for every construction till the date. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the specialty of cements. Which cement is best, OPC, 53 or PPC? This will be analyzed in today's video. Now we will discuss what is grade of cement. The grade of cement indicates the strength of cement that is measured in megapascal or Newton per mm square. Cement grade usually measured after 28 days of curing of a standard cube. If you take ordinary Portland cement, it is subdivided into three types. One is 33 grade cement, 43 grade cement and 53 grade cement. The 33 grade cement has been introduced in 1952, 43 is 1976 and 53 grade cement has been developed in 1987. Most of the people think 53 grade will be the best cement for any concrete work. But if we think 53 grade is best, why we don't have 63 grade cement till 2021? The primary disadvantages of OPC cement is lime bleaching. The lime bleaching from the concrete and from the mortar. When you add water into the cement, the primary hydration process will start. In the primary hydration, only 70% of lime will convert into strength and 30% of lime will leach from the concrete. This is one of the biggest problem in ordinary Portland cement of any grade. You can see the photos of different structural member, building, wall surface and beams and slabs, which is affecting with efflorescence and lime bleaching. The second disadvantage of ordinary Portland cement is excess heat of hydration. The ordinary Portland cement contains more lime. When we add water into cement, leads elaboration of more heat in the cement, concrete and mortar, which will lead cracks in the different elements of the structural member. The third disadvantage of ordinary Portland cement is more pores, less durability. The lime bleaching will make more porosity in the concrete, which leads to reduce life of the structure and it will creates more maintenance cost for the structural member. And with more porosity, the structure will face severe seepage and leakages from the structure. These are all the problems which we are facing from ordinary Portland cement of any grade, 53, 43 and 33. That's the reason we have developed a new product, that is Portland Pozzolana cement. Now we will discuss about Portland Pozzolana cement and its advantages and its durability. Now we'll discuss about Portland Pozzolana cement. The 21st century best cement will be PPC, Portland Pozzolana cement. The Portland Pozzolana cement PPC confirmed by Indian standard IS 1489, and the most of the people confuses that is PPC is 43 or 53 grade. I simply suggest don't fall in the confusion of grades. The present century PPC cements, which came from the good companies, are maintaining good quality these PPC cements will cross strength above 53 MPa. PPC has many advantages. If you take the chemical reaction of the PPC, it is too different comparing with ordinary Portland cement. In ordinary Portland cement, we'll have only one hydration process, but in PPC, we'll have a double gel formation. When you add water into the PPC cement, the primary gel formation will start. In this primary gel formation, 70% of lime will convert into CHS gel, and another 30% of lime will react with reactive silica and forms CHS gel. So we'll have a double hydration process. There is no leaching of lime, there is no loss of lime. Whole lime will be converted into strength. With PPC, we can have many advantages, that we can reduce the heat of hydration with PPC, and the PPC will be more finer than ordinary Portland cement, which leads less pores and more concrete density, by which great durability of the structure. The PPC will increase the structural durability with its long-term strength gain. Now the conclusion, we can go with Portland Pozzolana cement, and we can use Portland Pozzolana cement for any structural member from concrete slab to masonry wall. As always, thanks for watching the video, and be subscribed this Construction Guruji and share the video, and please comment, and if you have any doubts on cement related, please send your comments in comment section. I'll try to clarify each and every doubt of yours. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.